So today I have for you guys a brand new 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580. This is the fully electric, top of the line car from Mercedes-Benz, basically a fully electric S-Class that looks completely different than the S-Class. Actually, I think this looks better. Now, before we get into the customizations that we did, let's mention how beautiful this factory Magno matte gray paint is from Mercedes. This is not a wrap. This is actually the factory paint, and trust me, it's stunning. I haven't even seen one like this yet. So this is a first for us at EV Sportline. And what we did today is we went ahead and did chrome delete. This car had a lot of chrome from Mercedes. And you know what? It's just not trendy. It's just not cool, especially since it has a lot of black accents already from Mercedes. So we used 3M gloss black film to wrap many areas of the car, specifically this chrome trim right at the nose of the hood, and the actually little design elements on the front bumper and the center area of the front bumper. And then the whole window trim, everything around the windows and the tops of the door handles. These are all gloss black now because we wrapped it along with some trim running along the side of the car. And then when you move to the back of the car, there was also a couple more chrome trim lines that are now gloss black. We did not get rid of everything. We did leave a little bit of chrome, the EQS emblems on the front sides, in the rear, the 4MATIC emblem, and then the Mercedes emblems. We left all those chrome. And the reason for that was, number one, not to overdo it. Let's keep it tasteful. Let's keep it a little sexier. And also, let's match the two-tone wheels from Mercedes. These are absolutely beautiful. I love these wheels. They are two-tone. And if you look deeper, you'll notice that now the brake calipers are yellow. From Mercedes, they just come plain black. Nothing sporty at all. But this is actually Ferrari yellow paint that we use. That's the same style that Ferrari does on their brake calipers. We applied that to these and also added a nice touch by putting the EQS letters in the proper font on the brake calipers for a little bit more identification, because from Mercedes, they were all plain. So we thought it was much cooler to go ahead and add that. Anyway, this was all done at our new facility in Van Nuys, California. We are customizing all types of EV cars, including the Mercedes. Thank you, EV fans, for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to see more customizations like this, that's where we're going to be posting them.